Welcome back, it's time for a 10 pack. Well, I don't get many of these, so this is actually featured in 2 videos already, I think. In my peg hunt, I found this in Asda, and it also was in the background of the monthly haul. So here we are, finally time to open it. So yes, this 5 pack was rather expensive. I think it worked out something like £1.90 or something per car. Well, I say expensive, considering Asda was selling their cars for £1, and then they were selling this for 18, seemed a bit odd. So most of the packs there I didn't really like, and then I found this one, which first of all had the exclusive car that I found interesting, had a Sierra in it, and as well as that had multiple new case cars. Now, I mainly bought this because I was actually scared I wasn't going to find some of these case cars, much like this Porsche, but I've now got a duplicate of these. Probably shouldn't have opened the other car, because I would have got this one already open out the pack. But there we are, I opened it in the monthly haul anyway. But yeah, there's just a selection of cars I wasn't really sure if I was going to find, especially the Sierra. That kind of topped the deal off for me. So yeah, let's waste our time and open it up. Wow, that was amazingly clean to open. Look at that. Right, sudden jump cut. Well, I've decided to do this slightly differently. I'm going to take them out of this packet as I go along. You watch, that will fall at one point and it's going to make a horrible mess and noise. So let's start off with this little purple car. What is this? 62 Ford Mustang Concept. This is very interesting. So obviously, as you can see, it's a drop top, little spider. Nice glittery purple colour scheme. Got the pony logo, or the Mustang logo, on the side and on the hood there, which is pretty cool. Nice stripes over the top as well. Little 5-spoke wheels. It's sort of tiny. It's weirdly small, this car. I wonder if it was actually this small as a concept. Was it actually a small car? A little bit of the paint has come off of my finger. Oh no! Where's that come from? Let's put it down before we find out. Right, next up. Oh, it's going to move, isn't it? Is this the... No, I was going to say power pistons. It's not, is it? Oh, I can't remember what this is. Power pipes. I was halfway there with the power. See, we got the power pipes. A nice fancy car. And a very nice metallic green. Obviously got these big sticky out air vents there. Hot Wheels written on the side with the logo underneath. 321 Tanjan. Pretty cool. Nice design on the side, which is repeated on both sides of the car. And yeah, pretty nice indeed. Right, moving on to the exclusive to this pack, we get a really nice Camaro. The 67 Camaro. Oh, this is cool. I do like this. It must be. Hang on, let's relocate things. It must be confusing. I keep leaning on the desk and it's moving the camera. It must be really disorientating. But yeah, really nice sort of dark, maroony, kind of purpley red. Really nice colour. Little Camaro badge on the side. Really, really nice. Got the front decal over the top there. Another little badge down there as well. Nice dark tinted glass, black interior. Yes, just a really nice example. Really nice example. Shame there's not really any light details, but obviously all of the chrome grille front and back is part of the base there. And some split 5-spokes. Really, really cool. I really like that. It's a nice little exclusive, that. Right, next up, the Porsche. The Porsche 935. Looking awesome on the Aerodisc wheels. 70 on the side and some stripes going up there. Got the Porsche logo as always on these. Yeah, really nice. Little Hot Wheels logo as well. And we've also seen this in the monthly haul, in the main lines. Right, next up, this casting is really cool. Another reason why I had to buy this 10-pack. The Toyota AE86, really, really cool. Love this decal on the side. It looks really nice in the matte white with the little red stripe and the black stripes underneath. Really, really cool. Awesome, awesome rear light details. That is really cool. Little Apex badge, Torino there. Oh, that is so nice. And on the front we got the nice pop-up headlights detail. Really, really cool. I really like this casting. Nice little grey 5-spoke wheels. That is really, really cool. I like that. Again, bought that in case I didn't find that. I'm pretty sure that'll be in the main lines. Right, next up, one of the star cars of said pack. We got the new Sierra casting, and wow, this is cool. Oh, it's got lensed headlights as well. Ooh, that's really, really cool. Got the Mattel logo. Hot Wheels are written on the roof there. Got the Hot Wheels logo on the side, little Ford logo as well, and some shopping list badging on the side. This is really, really cool. Really like this. Really, really like this. This is just a nice casting. And again, I'm pretty sure this is in the main lines. In fact, I'm certain it's in the main lines. So, yeah, I bought this pack in case I didn't find this in the main lines, because this is going to be one that's going to disappear over here. Oh, that whale tail spoiler as well. This is a very popular car. This is definitely going to disappear off the pegs. If we can even find it, who knows? That case might get skipped. It's a lottery over here. Who knows? You might see that case, you might not. And if you do see that case, it's most likely been scalped by everyone. I never realised my local Asda is actually quite a large picking point. My friend went there and said he had one of the store workers looking over his shoulder while he was getting the cars. That's where he found the yellow Supra. Which I still haven't found myself, and I've been looking ever since, you know. And he said he had one of the store workers looking over him, and like another time he went and he had someone else looking over him. So apparently, and it's also the same shop I met the other collector that I did a video of years back. So clearly that Asda is actually quite a good picking point, which obviously it's cool, it's a picking point, but not great for me, because one of my popular visits clearly isn't going to prevail that often. Anyway, let's stop rambling and get on with the 10 pack. So we got the F1 Racer in a very nice green. I'm sure you've all looked over it by now. I've had it in front of you for ages while I rambled on. Nice gold spoke wheels. Some cool gold decals on the front, or over the top there should I say. Number 1. Got some little brands on there as well. And there's a little driver. There he is. There he is. There he is. There we go. We finally got him. Thank you, camera, for listening. Yeah, pretty cool. Quite like that. Right, next up, we've got another fantasy car. I'm surprised it hasn't fallen over yet. What is this? I've never seen this before. Roadster Bite. This is different. I've not actually seen this before. Got these track-coloured wheels with the cyclone-y type wheels. Not a fan of these wheels, really. I think a lot of people can agree. One thing I think the big problem with them is they don't actually go to the middle. So, like, they don't look like a wheel that should work because they don't actually connect to the centre. It's strange. But it's kind of cool. We can see it all the way through the centre of the car there. There we go. Exhaust on the side. Speed Team written on the top there. Some nice decals as well. Yeah, pretty cool. And there's the seat there. No driver in this one. It's interesting. It's got a cockpit but no driver. Metal base, plastic body. Oh, it's got like a little track symbol. Does that mean it's good on the track? I've never noticed that on a car before. Is that something new they're doing to say they're good on the track? If anyone knows, they'll have to let me know. That's quite interesting. Right, what should we do next? Should we do... Well, we'll continue as we were going along. Oh, there it is. It finally happened. Let's get rid of that. We all knew it was going to happen. I'm surprised it happened this late, because usually my luck, that would have destroyed the video much early on. Anyway, let's get on with this Ford. I don't know what Ford this is. It looks like the... Is it like a Falcon or something? Ah, yes, the Ford Falcon. Oh, the camera will not focus. There we go. Ford Falcon race car. Yeah, we don't really get Falcons over here. In fact, we don't get Ford Falcons over here. Very, very rare sight if you do see one of these over here, I must say. Nice Ford decals, blue and white stripes on there. Liking the white spoke wheels, looks pretty good. And over the hood there, again, Ford badge. Nice striping as well. Really, really cool. Got the side exit exhaust on this side of the car, which have the detail on the bottom there. And a very, very heavy roll cage in there. Look at that. Got all sorts going on in that roll cage. Yeah, that's cool. And a big rear wang on the back. That's really nice. That is actually pretty cool. Yeah, Ford Falcon. Pretty cool. Don't see him over here, so very interesting indeed. And lastly, we have another Porsche. 911? I don't know. Oh, wow. 911 GC2. Yeah, Porsches aren't really my kind of thing. I think they all look the same, so I always get them confused. So that's a pot shot and a half. Roof stripe I've already noticed is a little bit out, I think. Little badge, as always with the Porsches, which is really nice. And we get the lens headlights. Do like that. That's really cool. Really nice in white. Nice chrome outline wheels on this one. And of course, on the back, some really nice rear light details. That's really, really nice with that metal spoiler as well. That is really well done. With the back splitter and the exhaust of the base and the rear lights, that's just really, really cool. I don't know if it's just me, but that's really satisfying to look at. That's just a really nice rear end, really nice ass, if you get what I mean. That's cool. Oh yeah. So there we have it, a really awesome 10-pack. That's actually, yeah, that's a really good pack. It's not that often we get that amount of cars that I like. I like that. That is amazing. That is awesome. That is epic. That's got a nice arse. That is cool. This is cool. Wish I didn't open the other one. And the rest, yeah. But yeah, overall, pretty cool. But there we are. I hope you have enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Let me know down below which one of these is your favourite. And of course, I hope to see you again in the next video.